Hello, kids! Welcome to Birdland. Today, 100 amazing birds will introduce themselves to you. They're colorful, funny, and full of surprises. Let's meet them one by one. Sparrow. Hi, I'm Sparrow. I'm small, brown, and love hopping around your garden. Crow. Caw-caw, I'm Crow, the clever black bird who can solve puzzles. Pigeon. Hello, I'm Pigeon. You'll see me in cities and parks everywhere. Parrot. Hi, kids, I'm Parrot. And I can copy your words. Squawk. Peacock. Look at me, I'm Peacock. I spread my colorful feathers like a fan. Dove. I'm Dove, a symbol of peace, soft and white. Owl. Hoo-hoo, I'm Owl. I stay awake at night and see in the dark. Eagle. I'm Eagle, the king of the sky with sharp eyes and strong wings. Hawk. I'm Hawk, fast and fierce when I fly and hunt. Vulture. I'm Vulture. I clean up nature by eating leftovers. Swan. I'm Swan. I glide gracefully on water like a ballerina. Duck. Quack, quack. I'm Duck, and I love splashing in ponds. Goose. I'm Goose with a loud honk and long neck. Turkey. Gobble, gobble. I'm Turkey, big and funny looking. Hen. Cluck, cluck, I'm Hen. I lay eggs for breakfast. Rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. I'm Rooster. I wake everyone up in the morning. Chicken. I'm Chicken, a farm bird who loves pecking grains. Macaw. I'm Macaw, a colorful parrot from the rainforest. Cockatoo. Hello, I'm Cockatoo with a funny feather crown on my head. Lovebird. I'm Lovebird, tiny and sweet, always staying with my friend. Kingfisher. I'm Kingfisher. I dive into water to catch fish. Woodpecker. Tap, tap, tap. I'm Woodpecker. I peck on trees all day. Hummingbird. Buzz. I'm Hummingbird, the smallest bird that hovers like a helicopter. Canary. Tweet, tweet. I'm Canary. I sing with a lovely voice. Starling. I'm Starling. I fly in huge flocks that dance in the sky. Magpie. Shiny, shiny. I'm Magpie. I love collecting glittery things. Nightingale. I'm Nightingale. My song is sweet and magical. Flamingo. I'm Flamingo. I stand on one leg and I'm bright pink. Penguin. Waddle, waddle. I'm Penguin. I live in the cold and can't fly. Crane. I'm Crane. Tall and elegant, standing in wetlands. Stork. I'm Stork, with long legs and a giant beak. Heron. I'm Heron. I wait quietly to catch fish in rivers. Egret. I'm Egret, a snowy white bird with graceful wings. Seagull. Squawk! I'm Seagull. I fly near the sea and love snacks. Pelican. I'm Pelican, with a big beak pouch to scoop up fish. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. I'm Cuckoo. I sing my name in the forest. Myna. Hello. I'm Myna, a chatty bird that talks like people. Robin. I'm Robin, with a red chest and a cheerful song. Blue Jay. I'm Blue Jay, bright blue and very noisy. Cardinal. I'm Cardinal, a red bird that shines in winter. Finch. Tweet. I'm Finch, tiny and colorful. Kite. I'm Kite, gliding high in the sky with open wings. Falcon. I'm Falcon, the fastest bird in the world. Osprey. I'm Osprey. I dive from the sky to catch fish. Albatross. I'm Albatross. I can fly across the ocean without stopping. Puffin. I'm Puffin, a cute bird with a colorful beak. Swift. I'm Swift. I fly faster than almost anyone. Swallow. I'm Swallow. I dart through the air catching insects. Quail. I'm Quail, a small bird with a funny feather on my head. Pheasant. I'm Pheasant, with a long tail and bright colors. Partridge. I'm Partridge, a ground bird that hides in bushes. Lark. I'm Lark. I sing happily in the morning sky. Wren. I'm Wren, tiny but with a loud, cheerful song. Blackbird. I'm Blackbird, black as night with a golden beak. Goldfinch. I'm Goldfinch, yellow and black, like sunshine flying. Barn owl. I'm Barn owl. I have a heart-shaped face and hunt at night. Snowy owl. I'm Snowy owl, white as snow and silent in flight. Great horned owl. I'm Great horned owl with big feather horns. Roadrunner. Beep, beep. I'm Roadrunner. I run super fast. Rhea. I'm Rhea, a big bird from South America. Emu. I'm Emu, a tall bird from Australia. Ostrich. I'm Ostrich, the biggest bird and the fastest runner. Cassowary. I'm Cassowary, with a bright blue neck and a helmet head. Hornbill. I'm Hornbill with a giant curved beak. Toucan. I'm Toucan. I have a big rainbow beak. Hoopoe. I'm Hoopoe, with a crown of feathers on my head. Bulbul. I'm Bulbul, a sweet singing bird. Jaybird. I'm Jaybird, loud and colorful. Mockingbird. I'm Mockingbird. I copy other birds' songs. Warbler. I'm Warbler, tiny and always singing. Oriole. I'm Oriole, golden yellow and black. Cormorant. I'm Cormorant. I dive underwater for fish. Bittern. I'm Bittern. I hide in reeds and boom like a drum. Spoonbill. I'm Spoonbill. I have a spoon-shaped beak. Ibis. I'm Ibis, with a long curved bill. Lapwing. I'm Lapwing, with a funny crest on my head. Sandpiper. I'm Sandpiper. I run along beaches. Curlew. I'm Curlew with a very long curved beak. Puffbird. I'm Puffbird, round and fluffy. Sunbird. I'm Sunbird, shiny like a jewel. Weaverbird. I'm Weaverbird. I build nests like baskets. Drongo. I'm Drongo, black and brave. I even chase eagles. Bowerbird. I'm Bowerbird. I decorate my home with pretty things. Tern. I'm Tern. I dive gracefully into the sea. Nuthatch. I'm Nuthatch. I climb trees upside down. Tree Creeper. I'm Tree Creeper. I creep up tree trunks. Shrike. I'm Shrike, a small bird with a big hunting style. Roller. I'm Roller. I roll in the sky with flips. Bee-eater. I'm Bee-eater. I love eating bees and insects. Bustard. I'm Bustard, a tall ground bird. Guinea fowl. I'm Guinea fowl, spotted like polka dots. Rail. I'm Rail. I hide in marshes. Moorhen. I'm Moorhen. I swim with a red beak. Jacana. I'm Jacana. I walk on water plants with big feet. Lyrebird. I'm lyrebird. I can copy any sound, even a camera click. Kookaburra. Ha ha, I'm Kookaburra. I laugh like a person. Fairy wren. I'm fairy wren, tiny and shining blue. Mannequin. I'm mannequin. I dance to impress my friends. Oilbird. I'm oilbird. I fly in caves at night. Kiwi. I'm kiwi, a little bird from New Zealand that can't fly. Hooray, kids! You just met 100 amazing birds. They can fly, sing, dance, and some can even talk. Nature is full of wonders. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, the sky is never empty because our bird friends are always there. See you next time.